Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to put together a photo puzzle from obviously a photo and also some chipboard, or if you don't have chipboard or dedicated chipboard, you can always just use something like a cereal box or even layer craft paper or some sort of thinner non-cardboard box. So like along the lines of a cereal box, anything that's a little bit thicker that can hold up as a puzzle piece. So here I've cut my puzzle piece heart-shaped template out using my Cricut cutting machine, and then using the same template I cut the exact shaped in pieces from a photo. So in terms of putting this together, I actually find for one layer, for just a single layer of cereal box is actually enough. But if you really want to, you can layer the pieces to make it a little bit more stiff. And then in terms of gluing all the layers together, I actually find rubber cement to work the best, but this stuff kind of stinks. So I find second best is actually adhesive roller tape. And so I'll demonstrate the adhesive roller tape, how you glue these things together. So here we just want to sort of make sure we get it around the edge pieces that are going to be sort of touching the other pieces. So you want to keep them straight. You just sort of use your fingers and align it. Now, most people are like not going to be doing serious puzzles with this. This is more of like a gift. So, you know, you don't have to worry about how puzzle-like this ends up being. I think it's just a nice little creative touch as a card, or maybe you could even frame this, maybe as an anniversary gift. In terms of the actual photo, you can use just any sort of printed photo paper, and I find that actually works the best. But you can also print this on your own printer. The type of glues I would not recommend is don't use a water-based glue, like a polymer, like a tacky glue or something. It tends to warp the pieces too much, and it doesn't fit together as well afterwards. So the reason why you want to keep it together, keep the pieces straight, is they actually, some of them look kind of similar, so you don't want to accidentally, like, I mean, the heart shape is not that bad, but you don't want to accidentally, you know, flip one and then after you've assembled everything, realize that one piece just doesn't really fit. There you go.